Hello guys.
Hello guys. Now I've been cooking
Rice.
rice and there's some more fish rice,
But
but I can remove it. But I don't want to remove.
tuyang
I
kalibis
want it to remove.
And then after that, what you're going to do?
I can
Wash.
wash it. Wash.
Okay. And then,
And then
very good ka pala. Sino nagturo sa'yo to cook rice?
si mommy and daddy.
Alok.